Let us all unite and celebrate together the victories won for our liberation. Let us dedicate ourselves to rise together to defend.
Welcome to African Diaspora News. I am John Efinsan, and here are today's major developments shaping the futures of Africa economy. Today, two powerful economic stories from West Africa. Nigeria partnered with South Korea to launch Africa's first large-scale electric vehicle manufacturing plant. And Ghana unveiled a bold economic reset agenda that could redefine resources control in the continent. Let's begin with Nigeria. Nigeria and South Korea have officially partnered to establish Africa's first large-scale electric vehicle manufacturing plant in Abuja. This groundbreaking initiative marks a major turning point for the Nigerian economy. For decades, Nigeria has been heavily dependent on imported used vehicles, but this new partnership signals a shift from consumer market to manufacturer goods. The electric vehicle plant is expected to create thousands of jobs, boost industrial capacity, stimulate technology transfer, and position Nigeria as a leader in the African EV market. Now to Ghana. At the just concluded 36th African Union Assembly of Head of State, Ghana President John Mahama unveiled what he calls the Accra Reset Agenda, a bold economic transformation strategy aimed at reshaping the Ghanaian economy. The core message is clear. Ghana must move from exporting raw material to processing and adding value locally. Under the Accra Reset Agenda, Ghana plans to process its mineral domestically, strengthen local cocoa production and financing, reduce reliance on foreign commodity-backed loans, increase value addition with the country.
Stop foreign funding for the purchase of our cocoa. We are going to raise domestic bonds. We have enough CDs in Ghana to pay for our cocoa. We're going to raise domestic bonds, buy our own cocoa. We don't need to collateralize the beans. I know the interesting part. We have the capacity to process 400,000 tons of those beans, processing capacity in Ghana. But because the beans are collateralized, we cannot even allocate those beans to the local processors. We have to ship all the beans outside. Now, if we buy the beans ourselves, we can take 400,000 tons out of the beans and give to our local processors to add value. That is what the Accra Reset is about. I say by 2030, there are not going to be any raw mineral ores leaving Ghana. You're not going to ship manganese ores out of Ghana raw. You're not going to ship bauxite ore out of Ghana raw. You're not going to ship iron ore out of Ghana raw. You must process all that locally. That is the only way we can provide opportunities for our young people. Our young people are not as patient as our generation. They want to see that progress and prosperity today. And that is why Accra Reset has that urgency that we need to implement in order that we stop our young people from braving the dangers of the Sahara and the Mediterranean to try to get to Europe to look for opportunity. Africa's prosperity is not a threat to anybody in this world.